Online System Update. Online System Update enables online updates and enhancements of the software components on your car. Thanks to this service, you can save your time and money because you do not have to visit your Škoda service partner. When Online System Update is available for your car, you will be informed by a pop-up window in the infotainment of your car. To process Online System Update in your car, you have to go through 3 simple stages, which are activation of Škoda Connect in your car, downloading, and installation of Online System Update. You press Download to start downloading of Online System Update. You can check out the progress bar of downloading. To do so, select Settings in the menu of your infotainment. In the Settings, press System Information. On the next screen, you press Online Download. Alternatively, you can see the actual status in Notification Center. You are asked by a pop-up window to start the installation immediately after finished download and turned off ignition. You press Start. Please note that your Škoda Connect services, the automatic accident notification function and e-call will be unavailable for the stated time. Driving and using your car during the stated time is not recommended. In the meanwhile, you may leave your car. Finally, you are informed about successful Online System Update in your car's infotainment.